Please subscribe this Wikitech channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the latest updates. Hi everyone, this is TSM from Wikitech. Hi guys, I hope you are all good and doing great. In this video, let's talk about the Motorola. The Motorola recently launched a mobile phone in India. It's called Moto G8 Power Lite. So let's look into the specifications, details and briefly in this video. And this mobile was available in Flipkart in the first sale on this month, May 29th at the afternoon 12 p.m. onwards. And its price is around 8,999 rupees. Well, this mobile was available in two colors. The one is Arctic blue and the second one is royal blue. If you're talking about the display, it comes with 6.5 inches IPS LCD screen display, and also it comes with a water drop notch at a resolution of 1600 into 720 resolution. If you're talking about the pixels, it comes with 269 pixels, and the display is the HD plus display. I hope they should provide the full HD at least. And also it's 82.2% screen to body ratio. Whereas guys, this Moto G8 Power Lite only available in one variant. It's a 4GB RAM, 64GB internal storage. There was a dedicated slot for micro SD card. With the help of this micro SD card slot, we can increase the storage up to 256GB. If you look into the camera department, the rear side we have seen triple camera setup. The primary sensor comes with 16 megapixel. Its aperture is f2.0, and also there was a 2 megapixel f2.4 for depth sensor. I do the bokeh. For macro shots they provide 2 megapixel and its aperture is f2.4. And also the right side there was a single LED light flash was available. If you're talking about the front camera, there was 8 megapixel for front facing camera. Its aperture is f2.0. If you're talking about the connectivity, it supports 4G Vivo LTE for Geo SIMs, 4G LTE for regular LTE 4G SIM cards, and WCDMA for 3G support, 3G network, and GSM for 2G. Whereas it has Wi-Fi enabled, but they did not mention whether there was a dual band was available. But anyhow, regular Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz was available, and Wi-Fi hotspot was enabled, and USB connectivity was enabled along with the GPS connectivity also enabled. And also there was a dedicated slot for 3.5mm audio connectivity jack. Now looking into the sensors, there was a fingerprint sensor was enabled along with the proximity sensor, ambient sensor, gyrometer sensor and accelerometer sensors. These sensors was available in this phone, and also this phone comes with 5000 milliamperes battery, but they provided only 10 watts rapid charger. I wish they should at least give no fast charging, because to charge this 5000 mAh battery, it takes more than 3.5 hours easily with this 10 watts rapid charger. Now guys, let's talking about the processor. It comes with a MediaTek Helio P35 12nm architecture processor. It has 8 cores, whereas the 4 cores works with the clock speed of 2.3 GHz. It comes with ARM Cortex A53 powerful cores, we can say that, and the remaining 4 cores comes with 1.8 GHz cores, and it's ARM Cortex A53 power efficient cores. Whereas to be frankly speaking, in my opinion, the processor was very disappointed here. Its processor is good for daily tasks like taking calls and watching YouTube videos, taking photos. It's okay. If you're playing the heavy games like PUBG, the processor is not that much of good to do heavy tasks. In my opinion, the processor was disappointed for me. And also its GPU is Power VRGE8320 GPU. And also guys, there was a banner in the Flipkart where the banner represents this Moto G8 Power Lite was designed for spills and splash resistance also. Talking about the price, this price is around 9,000 rupees. I wish at least they should give full HD, or even they should give the fast charging, or even they should implement the good processor in this. But anyhow, they did not implement the full HD screen. It's only HD plus, and of course there was a 5000 mAh battery, but they did not give the fast charger. It comes with a 10 watts charger only. This is the second thing I was disappointed. And the third thing is the processor was also not powerful processor. It's a MediaTek Helio P35 processor, which is good for daily tasks. But as for youth, we play the games and we do a lot of games in this heavy task and applications, but this processor is not for that. Anyhow, if I want to answer whether this phone is worth for the money 9,000 or not, I want to compare this phone with the Realme Narzo 10A. It's also the cost is around 8,500 nearly, and this Moto G8 Power Lite, the cost is around 9,000 rupees. So I was going to to make a dedicated video in specifications, and let's decide which phone is worth or not for the value for money. Thank you so much guys for spending your valuable time with me. If you don't mind, please subscribe to the channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notifications. See you very soon. Thanks a lot for your love, support and commitment. We are family. Take care.